So if you like organization or your Notion kind of doesn't really work because a lot of people or people online is like they have these amazing Notion templates, or maybe you purchased one in the past, but you have actually no use of it, or like it is just too complicated. So stick to this video because I think my Notion template or system might help you to reorganize your mind, structure your life, and structure your digital organization. And this is also the main part of a lot of parts of my channel, of my content, etc. Let's kick off this video. So I call it the Jeff's second brain business, or in general, the second brain business. This is actually my entire business and part and my creation of content as much as possible. So I run newsletters, YouTube videos, and thread posts. These are like my three main things I need to carry every single day. I'm doing this full time. And yeah, there's a lot of obstacles when running, but with the newsletters, or my main part of my content is actually a lot of writing, and then transition this to um, YouTube videos, thread posts, using AI, and whatsoever. And this template is actually perfectly organized for my specific needs. And I think, or I hope, it is beneficial for you. And I probably think it is. So let's hope, and please stick to this video until the end because this could change your life. I'm not saying it will, but I just hope it will change your life. And if you understand the system entirely and how I built these ideas upon, because I'm doing this for like 8 months straight, like organizing and building specifically for this stuff. Like before, I was already doing similar things, but now I really like specialize and doing this full time for 8 months now. So yeah, this is the entire template. You can see it here. And yeah, so let's kick off with the main parts you can see here. First of all, we have a quick capture. The purpose of a quick capture is to quickly capture something. And mostly for my purposes, part of two things. It is quick task capture and a quick video capture. We could also do a quick capture for notes, but I use other software for this. I use Cortex. So I've created two different specific videos for that. So one is doing this Notion video here. The other one is how to build a second brain that organizes your mind. So I use these two softwares every single day a lot. Um, so I don't really see Notion as a really good writing software. And when I started using Notion, it was more for like productivity stuff, as you can see here. So writing, in my opinion, is better on another platform, but you can still use it for a writing task. This one is not specifically built on writing. It is more specifically built on productivity and getting your results or your goals, etc. So, and also it's specifically built for businesses or like one person businesses. Um, yeah. So we have the quick capture to just quickly capture something. We can click on it, then we can fill out the stuff. We mostly organize with the para method, which you might be familiar. So we can reorganize certain things as a project, as an area, um, or as a resource. I will cover in a few minutes what it actually is. Then we have specific content we can fill up. We can make it done. I would always recommend it to include a due date. We can have a mind state, flow, quick or easy. We can have a priority, high, medium, low. We have a challenge, which I will also cover in a few minutes. Then like some smaller stuff, and this one will also be covered in a second. Then we have the other option is YouTube content template. So this is like when I want to create a YouTube video. This could be an audience fit. Is it like extremely suitable to my audience, or might be a new type of content? You could also have a difficulty planning, simple, medium, flow. Then we could also have like the challenge reach, etc. And then we have specific tags like chaos to clarity. This is my part of my business. Um, to understand everything in general. Then we have business, productivity, self-improvement, gaming, re-upload. Like this is another YouTube channel I run. And all of the stuff. I don't want to go into too much detail because for this entire video, there's quite a lot. We also have authority and all of the stuff. I don't want to spoil too much. Like you can see all the things. I think it's just an idea what works good for you and your brain, or how you want to produce videos. Then we have another function like here with unique mechanisms, and a lot of other things to like see and connect quickly to rearrange content easier. Then, for example, we have here all of the other stuff. This is the content I will post. So we are currently, or I'm currently in the 6th week of my 90-day system. And the 90-day system is kind of like an OKR or 12-week system. And I just built an own branding on top of it. It has a specific mathematical purpose and also stuff. So I know, okay, in this week or in this week, what I'm talking, in this week, I want to post minimum 3 videos or maximum 3 videos actually. These ones are kind of similar, so they kind of count as one because it's similar thumbnail. This one I will produce probably after this video, and this one as well. So all of the stuff is here. So I kind of like have this clarity. Okay, I know which videos I want to produce this week, and if I can't make it, I will produce it for next week. And yeah, these ones are actually all here in this YouTube database, which I will post or t- test or the ideas, and then I will decide which one I will be posting. So I see this right again in the time in the homepage. Like I just come up here and I see everything at once. So I know, okay, what can I do? Where can I access all the stuff as quickly as possible? The purchase version, you can also purchase a template version. So this is my personal one, the entire one here, personalized for my new unique needs. And this is the one, if you would purchase this costs 50 euros, the template. In the beginning stages, it was cheaper, so it always gets a bit more expensive. The more enhanced it becomes, but yeah. So, but this is my personal system, and so there's a small changes I always test for a couple of weeks and months until I really put it into the paid version. So on the right side, you can see here Notion's second brain. This is a bit different than Cortex second brain and the writing stuff and my brand building, etc. This is like a Notion version of it, strongly working with relations, because relations, in my perspective, is probably the most strongest and best thing we can use for Notion, because it kind of like rewires your brain and makes crazy connections, in my opinion. So we have just Mind Universe, which is consists of unique mechanism by Jeff, Concepts and Philosophies by Jeff, and Idea Library by Jeff. This is for a completely other topic, probably. And this is strongly correlated and explained in my brand. But like, once you understand the entire system, I think it will be really powerful for your brain and your business in the future. Because I was running a startup in the past. We made 300,000 the first year, which is, in my opinion, for a startup pretty well. And yet, the startup makes now 7 figures. But yeah, I paid myself out 1 or 2 years ago because it wasn't my passion. And honestly, I enjoy YouTube videos way more. So yeah, so I'm just doing this now for my living. We have the para method afterwards. I think a lot of you are familiar with the para method from Tiago Forte. So I just want to explain this shortly. Projects, for example, in this particular way, is things which have a specific end in mind. Like just really short, you can see here these like current active projects or things I was running. Some of them are more organized, some of them are less organized, depending on their importance. And yeah. And projects always have a specific end in mind, so it's just for a short term. This project systems actually changed for myself to the 90-day challenge, which is way too much to explain in one particular video, what I'm actually doing with all my business. So I also run a cohort and a private consultation. Currently, the cohort is on waiting until the next cohort is opening, and currently I'm only running private consultation. So I explain everything in the private consultation, personalized for you, and I also have like a couple of customers every month, so it's a monthly business reassuring. And I think one of the most highly interesting parts here for the areas, which is in my perspective extremely unique, and this is my entire system I've built, which I don't know, like I might brand this as my own and whatever, I don't know, but I call it the 4 domains of clarity. It is life mastery, business mastery, productivity mastery, and mind mastery. And it's also in terms of like importancy in some ways. So for example, we start at the bottom in the hierarchy, for example, as a pyramid, and we need to master our mind actually. When we master our mind, everything else on top is easier. Our productivity becomes easier because we can focus on our health. Our business becomes easier because we have a healthy mind and body, because productivity have flow and everything included. And then when we also master our business, we also master our life. And there's one hierarchy above actually, which is the universe, like the entire world and stars and everything and cosmology and astrology and all of this stuff. And this is the level on top, which is once you master your life in general, you will understand, well, it's easier to understand the big picture. And that's why I call the just mind universe. And this is also in this particular way, my brand. So my brand is on top, and then I'm ruling the hierarchy or like the pyramids of Gizeh, or the pyramids of Jeff, or the pyramids of the domain of clarity. So this is a really unique system. The purpose of this system is actually to organize everything into specific domains, because in my opinion, you can honestly organize everything inside this one, because everything you connect in your life can be contributed on one of these four domains. If there's any other ones, please let me know. But for example, if you want to understand a universe mastery, for example, this is part of life mastery. So, like, I mean, you could put it on top, but it doesn't really make sense because it is still your life and you still want to develop on top of it. So it's not that worth it. Yeah. Areas, for example, in this particular thing have always an infinite goal. Like, it's never finished, and there's never a way that I know everything. And the system is actually just to easily organize and understand things. Okay, hey, AI mastery, branding mastery, business matrix for completely our video, community mastery, content mastery, call to action mastery. Everything is related to business or work. For productivity mastery, we have flow mastery, for example, the most important actually for productivity. Then we have problem solving, focus mastery, and second brain, for example. For mind mastery, we have intelligence, autonomous mind. There's more stuff in my cortex. Cortex is pretty full with that stuff, so I just use Notion mostly for my YouTube videos. But this is the way how you can organize this as well. And the purpose actually on wait, let's get back to the stuff. The purpose actually on the areas is you can contribute this on, or it's universal to your MacBook, to your Windows, to your Notion, to your Cortex. This works for everything. Why? Because I use Windows, I use Mac, I use an iPhone, I use iCloud, what else stuff. So I need something which works universally for everything. And the para method is a good thing to organize in some ways, but I kind of like spice it a bit more up. So we have resources, and resources are like mostly like readwise connections, like the stuff from books and everything. In my perspective, this is not that good, like all the books I've read and highlighted. Not all, that's just the ones which I connected to it or which I need for work, or like articles or which I connected later in life, because I just use the software for like a few months now, 8 months. So the books I've read before, listened to, and everything are not included here, and might be something for the future. Um, yeah. So resources, just books, PDFs, information, whatever. Archives, rubbish bin, pretty simply said. So we have also databases. We have the text, for example, task. This is a task database, and this database is actually for the flowing project and task system. This can be a weekly view, a monthly view. I like it to have it monthly because sometimes we just don't finish tasks and they're overlapping or like getting super full. So I don't really like to make it too full. And honestly, most tasks are not that important. They should be just an additional if we have too much left over. I know exactly what I need to do every single day, and it's the entire day, all the time. So nothing really changes in this particular way. Um, so I tried to make this video under 30 minutes because my camera will shut off afterwards. Because Sony, or like cameras without a heater inside, a fan will cut off in 30 minutes. So sorry for this time frame, and I hope it works. Yeah. So we have the flowing project and task system, which is on the side, which is specific days we can do this stuff. So for example, OBS, Sony Cam, I connected this run already. That's the reason the quality is a bit better here. Then we have the 98 challenges. This is the stuff which I want to do. This is, for example, we are here in month 2 right now, week 6. Then we have, for example, the 7-day thread challenge, or the private consultation monthly enrollment, polls and Q&A, and blah, blah, blah. Brian Johnson, but for ADHD, etc. There's like monthly projects I'm trying to finish, or like ones which I don't like. I don't need to do them, but like it's nice to finish them up in the next months. So I keep them here. So these ones are bigger projects. And these ones are like tasks, for example. So I try to keep everything at once so I don't forget anything. Because out of sight, out of mind. Then what else we have? We have the content database. That's the one underneath. I don't go too much into the user database, pasting newsletters, YouTube script. This is a pretty interesting one. Um, I have a specific structure for every single YouTube video. Not for this one particular. I wanted to change up a bit. But here, for example, we have always a hook, an authority building. I had a company, blah, blah, blah. A call to action to purchase my template, join a cohort, etc. And main content pillar. And then at the end of the video, hey, purchase my template, whatever. Join my newsletter, which is free. Join my 7 days chaos to clarity, whatever. What else do we have? So we have thumbnail inspiration. So these ones are things I collect so I can recreate them, which is also possible with AI, thanks to AI. All of this stuff is actually covered in my chaos to clarity challenge and with all the AI stuff. So if you somehow join my universe, right? My just mind universe, you will receive everything for free except of the cohort or private conversation or this particular Notion template. Yeah, these ones are some other stuff which I'm currently working on. We also have the daily tracker, which is stuff I need to do. This is like YouTube stuff which I don't need to do. I'm just thinking to do it sometimes. Maybe I need to rearrange that. But yeah, so all the stuff will be done every single day. These ones are like optional, or I'm still working on it, how to make this repeatable. I have a coffee break, which I do every couple of months to reset my caffeine threshold. And I have birthday a couple of days ago. And yeah, so all of the stuff is here, the daily tracker. So the template is here. And also a small thank you for making it until the end of the video. Because the thing is, I think it's hard to explain everything in detail, how I've built it. But I think this Notion template doesn't suck. Oh, I hope I can say this. But it's so all of the stuff is here. And yeah, I think the psychology behind it is pretty powerful in my perspective. So yeah. And thank you for making it until the end of the video. I have a free version of it, the 90-day challenges, which kind of like thanks to Notion for kind of I try to not swear or anything. Yeah, actually this should be covered. I just don't do it here. Like normally this looks clean. Oh no, wrong one. Layout. So page cover. Never mind, I can't focus right now. Card size. Ah, okay. Now it works. Okay. This is the free version of it. I don't know what Notion is doing here. But yeah, this is the free version if you want to download it entirely for free. It is linked down below. I'm not sure. Should I link it down below for people who make it? Yeah, I link it down below. It's a free version of it. Especially if you make it until the end of the video. It's called the 90-day challenges. There's also another more guidance tutorial. And yeah, this is the paid version or like my own template. This is the paid version. And yeah, I think this template is pretty powerful, especially if people want to become a content creator. I have no idea how to start because I'm still also a beginner because I've done it for like 8 months. So I'm not like a Dan Coe or Thomas Frank, etc. But yeah, this is my entire template. I hope you like this video. I think it's too difficult to show you how to rebuild this template because it takes a lot of time, actually, in my perspective. But maybe I will do a video about it. So let me know in the comments if this makes sense, and see you guys in my next video.